Hello, today you're looking at a Wade wet concrete tile saw brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions 53 inches long by 34 inches wide by 59 inches high. It does come with 4 new blades here in the boxes up top. Unit is wired for 110 volt. Take a look at the controls over here. We do not have water hooked up to it, so we're not going to start the pump, but it does run well. And to start it, you'd simply hit start. It's going to take a little while to ramp up here. Blade gets going. This up here shows the RPM of the blade as it's running. It'll get up to about 2200. What you'd do here is you'd put your concrete tile, any kind of tile or part, on this tray, and once the blade gets going, simply push it in to cut. Very basic. The RPM's getting up there. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.